stepping in and out the trap. Nah, for real. Thought you had my back. I was young and fucked up.
Ayo, hustle.
A lot of shit I
We gotta stack that guap, fool.
I wanted you to understand, I try to do my best. I wanted you to understand, I'm putting this shit to rest. I want you to understand, I'm coming through with the biggest package on me. I got my duffel bag right here. It's full of money and it's stuffed to the top. You never seen a young nigga do it like this. I'm coming in the crib with a pocket full of money. I've been in my car all day, I need a oil change for sure. I'm supposed to get it every month, but I need it right now. But I've been pushing my shit. I'm in and out the booth, trying to move my